How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Alpha Z series surface mounts. So we offer these lights in our 7x3, our 6x4, and our 7x9 sizes here, and all of these lights will have the same functionality. So let's go ahead and go over the cable functions. Now these units will have dual memory, so you'll have your red Power Mode 1 cable, your brown Power Mode 2 cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your white sync cable, your blue alternate sync cable, and your green steady burn override cable. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid and half-half color options, so let's go over a few of those. So here is a red, blue, half-half color option, an amber, solid color option, and a green, clear, half-half color option. But again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid or half-half. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. So let's go over that. So here I have Power Mode 1 activated with my red power cable. Now to activate Power Mode 2, I'll use my brown power cable. Now Power Mode 2 will override Power Mode 1 if both cables are activated, or you can activate Power Mode 2 independently as well. Now these units do have the ability to be programmed in sync, like you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you'll have 3 pattern speeds: slow, medium, and fast, which you can use your yellow flash pattern cables to change speeds. So here's slow, medium, and fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a full demonstration of how to program your units in sync and alternate sync, check out our how-to video located on the product page. So that covers our Alpha Z series surface mounts. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video and also our how to sync and alt sync video, and check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.